In this video, I'm going to show you how to make drop-down text in Webflow. So the first thing that you'll need to do is add in the drop-down element, which can be found on the Add Elements tab. Now, click on Add Elements and search for drop-down, and you will find it right here. So drag the drop-down element inside your div block, and here you will see all of the menu. So if you click on the menu, you will find all of the links right here. So let's edit the text. So for example, let's set this to menu, and let's say the link one would be about, and the second would be settings, or the third would be contacts. Now you can change the menu right here by just clicking on the settings um of the drop down right here if you want to hide, or if you want to show the settings. Now you can also preview that menu by clicking on the preview item right here, and if you click on hide, click on preview again, and if you click on the drop down, it will drop down all of those texts. And that's about it. That's how to make drop down text in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.